Hey y'all, welcome back to the club. My name is Courtney, your favorite club president, and today we are trying Japanese snacks. But the thing is, I didn't pick any of these snacks. I had to call on my Japanese friend and tell her I wanted to do a snack video and could you just get me any snack. So she said she got children's snacks, adult snacks, favorite snacks, nostalgic snacks, like all type of different snacks. So I am super excited to try it. But the thing is, we're gonna split this video into two parts because this is a lot of snacks to be eating in one sitting. So can y'all help me get this video to 20 likes and I'll drop part 2 of this video. I don't have any drinks to try, so I just went ahead on with my old faithful green tea, and that's what we're gonna be drinking with all these mixes of snacks. I'm peeking in and out right now, and some I've seen on the shelves. I do see maybe 1 or 2 that I've tried, but some I've no idea. So let's see what we got. Let's just get started with this. This is going to be our first snack. This is what it looks like. I wasn't ready to say like chocolatey, but it smells like crunchy. It's like a chocolate taste. Like it reminds me of Cocoa Puffs. I like Cocoa Puffs. This isn't bad. I think we're off to a good start, guys. Okay, this is next. These remind me of rice cakes. Maybe rice cakes. They're individually packaged in 2s. This is what it looks like. Taste. Oh, it's salty. I wasn't expecting that. I mean, rice cake, but some rice cakes aren't salty. Maybe like a hint of soy sauce somewhere in there. Maybe like this dark part is like soy sauce, like right here. Maybe that's soy sauce. I don't know. No. I think it's rice cakes though, but it's very salty and I wasn't expecting that, so kind of threw me for a loop. Okay, so moving right along, we're gonna take a little sip of our green tea over here. That's why we had that. But we're gonna move on to these. I've actually seen these in the store, but I've never been compelled to get them, so glad I get to try them now. Also, fun fact with Japanese snacks, most of the time, like if it has like the picture of the snack on the front, that's like an accurate representation of the size of the snack. So let's test that to this. They smell really good. So I'm hoping these are like chocolatey, crackery. That's what I'm getting out of it. This is what it looks like. My camera had died for a second, but let's go ahead on and give this one a try. This is good. This is really good. Exactly what I thought. Chocolate and cracker. This is really good right here. I'm missing out. I've been missing out on those. Those are really good. Let me get one more for the world. One more, we're gonna move on. That's good. Okay, next. I think these are little shrimp guys. So I think this has something with shrimp. Cause these little people, I don't know if there's another one in here. These are little shrimp guys. I know who they are. I'm a little nervous. Okay, so I love shrimp, but the thing is, I'm not the biggest fan of dried shrimp. And strong. I'm scared. Okay, I can do this. I can do this. Okay, it smells just like shrimp. Just like shrimp, like shrimp. So. Oh no, yeah. I'm sorry. One second. I can't do it. And it was soft. I thought it was gonna at least be like a little crunchy. Oh, my eyes are watering. Hold on, y'all. I thought it was gonna be like a little crunchy. No, that is Very, very soft. I see why the guys on there like eyes like this. Like, I feel the same way. Woo. We're gonna move on, hopefully, to some better things with these chips. It look like. Oh, I didn't even show y'all what it looks like. Hold on, I'm being very rude right now. Oh, this is what it looks like. This is the little shrimp, the dried shrimp. That's what it looked like. I thought it was gonna be a little bit of like crunch, but as you can see, like, see how it bends? Yeah, no, it is very, very soft. Very, very soft. So, no. Whew. That was a lot right there. Let me get another sip of this before we move on these chips. Okay, so we have chips. They look like, I'm assuming like black pepper chips, maybe pepper chips. It smells like pepper. So okay, I'm thinking these are like just like cracked pepper chips or pepper chips. So like you can see the little pepper flakes on there as well. So now these aren't bad. These aren't bad at all. Like, they're very salty, but you really taste the pepper, but it's not like a very spicy pepper. It tastes like the perfect amount of just some pepper, like add just a little spice, these are pretty good. I like these. She's onto something with these. She's onto something. Oh, these little stick people. They be in the store too a lot. I be seeing these too. Let's see. Which one did we get? Oh, it looks like a cheese puff. A little cheese puff or a cheese roll. Let's go with a cheese roll. I have to definitely get a better camera soon because, honey, this one just be done. I got the Sony, what is it, ZRSS? ZERSS. And she just overheats all the time. Like, sis, calm down. Calm down, please. So yeah, back to this cheese stick. This is not bad. I like it. I like the crunch. It's just like a regular cheese stick, like Cheeto Puffs. That's what it is. It's just like Cheeto Puffs, but like a stick though. That's not bad. I'm getting a little sippy sip. Next, we're gonna do these. Oh, it says Baum. They're all individually packaged. That's a good thing. You can pass them out. Like, you can put them in your purse, and if somebody wanted a little snack, you could be like, oh my God, here, take one. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It looked like a little, like a cream roll or something. This is what it looks like. Okay, let's taste her. It tastes like a, it's very soft, very bready. I cannot think of the snack. It's like a snack. It kind of give me like a cinnamon roll vibe, a little bit, but not. I don't know, cinnamon in this, or is it just like the icing? It give me like a little cinnamon roll vibe. I don't know. It really might just be the icing, but it's not bad. Okay, this definitely has to be a kid snack. Okay. I feel like it's like a marshmallow. I feel like something's gonna be in the middle of it, but this is what it looks like. I told y'all. I felt like something was gonna be in the middle. It's like the way it looked. Oh, if I just looked at the whole package, it literally has a sign that shows there was something in the middle. But like how they were positioned, I was like, they're not just giving marshmallow. I assume it's like a berry or a strawberry filling. It tastes like marshmallows. I think it's like a strawberry jam or a berry jam. But you really don't taste the berry jam until you're like almost done with it. Because it's not like it's a gusher type coming out of the marshmallow, but it's just, you don't get what I'm saying. We know what these are about. If you watched the Lawson vlog, then you already know, full day, I ate at Lawson, so make sure you go watch if you haven't. And these are the, I think this is a different one though. This one looks like it has carrots. Let's find out. This is what it looks like. You see all like the little carrots and vegetables and baked potato. I don't see butter, so. I just wish it was like a little salt and pepper on them. I feel the same as I felt of the other one. Like, it's nice and crunchy, which is good, but there's nothing else going for it. Like, these have been around since 1995. It's exciting because I've been around since 1995. We are well, we're 29. We're 30. I don't know if they're 30 already. I'm 30. Oh, well, I'm not 30. I'm 29. I'll be 30. Oh, and this is number 29. Was this made for me? Okay, we are down to our last 3. I for sure have seen these, but I don't think these are the salt ones because I've had the salt chips before. So I'd assume these are something else. Let's give it a try. I'll get y'all better chips so y'all can see it. Ooh, it smells like something. It don't smell just like regular salt or anything. Like, it has like a spice smell. Oh, do we have a spicy chip? This is what it looks like. Not a spicy chip, but it's seasoned with like a regular like season, like a blend of some sort. We're down to our final 2. This is, I always say choco balls. So I'd assume this is another kid snack. Okay, let's see. How do we open? Oh, here. I am definitely feeling like these snacks have been, oh, I was supposed to open this a certain way, y'all. I didn't miss it. Oh well. I feel like these snacks have definitely been an experience. I feel like some I'm very intrigued about, but some I'm like, no. I feel like the only one that got like the definite no was the soft shrimp. I couldn't do her. I couldn't, y'all. I tried. I really did, and I just could not press forward. But we're gonna press forward on these chocolate balls. So this is what it looks like. A little chocolate ball. It's like dark chocolate or maybe like unsweet chocolate. It's not bad though, just regular chocolate. We have made it to our last and final snack. So these are choco pies. Let's see. I feel like I've seen these before though, like at home. I never had them, but I feel like I've seen these before. Oh, and these are also individually wrapped, so you can just throw them in your purse or your bag and be like, hey, you need a choco pie? You need a choco pie? That's what I might do. You know, sharing is caring. Okay. This is what it looks like. Oh, I'm making a mess with this choco pie. I don't like that. Okay, but it has like whipped cream in the middle. Okay, this is basically like a typical snack. AJ has come to join us. Well, he's not joining us, but he's smiling. So, anyway, it tastes like a nostalgic snack, like a little Debbie kind of cake, like a little Debbie cake, like the little Debbie cupcake, a little bit like that, a little bit like that, little Debbie cupcake. That's what's going on right here. Okay. All right, y'all, I've tried all the snacks within this bag. Remember, there will be a part 2. Please help me get to 20 likes on this video. But I think my favorite overall in this video was the little the little chocolate cracker ones. I was very, very surprised by these guys. These were good. The shrimp one, again, it was too soft, too much going on. The chips also, the black pepper chips and the ones I think that has like seasoning on it, I think these were both really good. I would definitely get those again. And I mean, the star of the show, our cinnamon roll. These were really, 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 really good. I still can't fully put my finger on it, but I definitely enjoyed these. So shout out to my Japanese friend for getting me these snacks. I feel like we're off to a great start. So I will see you guys in the next snack video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and join the club.